Box tayo. Yan. Rest. We'll see. Unbox. Ouch. Sa mga kadunga. Banha man ka. Ouch. Akala ko tunay ang pag-ibig mo. Akala ko kasing tamis ng iyong yakap. Pinaas sa mga sampulo. Ito na. Ito na. May cream pa. Ayan. Tingnan natin to. May book pa. Complete kasi yung kinuha ko eh. Ayun, ayun, ayan, ayan. Ganyan. Ito yung pinaka the best. Yung pinaka the best. Spoon. Tapos scoop, measuring cup. At ito. Chalang! Oh, diba? Ayan. Dito ilagay yung kape. Ayan. Because I wanna drink now. So, naku, hindi magkasya yung spoon. Saan ko ilagay yung spoon? Oops. Let's read. Story of your jar.
Oh, story of the jar. That's the story of your life.
Ayan. Oh, diba? Ayan. Tapos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ayan guys. Atong buksan na ning kuan. Coffee katong ibutang diha sa jar. Ayan. It's fit one packet. One pack. It's enough in that coffee jar. See? Napo ko'y background diri nga guitar. Go ahead. Play the guitar dong. Ayan. One scoop, one cup. I trying to put the spoon but nothing happened. So na. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and sub and share. Thank you so much.